It was a day similar to this, but not this particular day. You know those times when you're washing your car and a neighbor will yell out, "Hey, wash mine while you're at it," or "Do mine next, will you?" or something like that.
This ain't one of those moments.
So I'm just minding my own business, washing my car like I usually do. It happens to be a partly cloudy day, but still quite nice. Throughout the day there are several members of the neighborhood that like to walk, myself included. Well, as I'm washing my car, minding my own business like I said, a random passerby stops and says, "You know it's going to rain today, right?" And I'm like, "What of it? It rains all the time whether I wash my car or not." He says, "So it's pointless to wash. It's just going to get dirty again right after." I says back to him, I asked, "So by your logic, when you have diarrhea, it's pointless to wipe, right? Because you'll have to go again." Then I continued to wash my car, minding my own business.